गुड मॉर्निंग। आई एम सॉरी, मेरी आवाज़ जा चुकी है। डे कैसे व्लॉग करने वाली हूँ, बट वी आर गोइंग टू बीटल्स आश्रम टुडे एंड वी हैव अ प्लान। बच्चों से and we have a plan to go to a secret waterfall. I'm hoping for the best. Okay, bye guys. Ready? कमेंट में बता दो कैसी लग रही हूँ। ये भी रेडी। मम्मी कहाँ है? मम्मी
मैंने लिपस्टिक नहीं लगाई है।
अब हम जा रहे हैं, ठीक है? चल के मिलते हैं वहीं पे। बाय।
नाश्ता करने आए गाइस, मामी ने तो खा भी लिया अपना।
गाइस हम लोग ना एक हिडन वाटरफॉल ढूंढने आए हैं। पता नहीं तुम्हें मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है कि नहीं। हिडन वाटरफॉल ढूंढने आए हैं और हम होप कर रहे हैं हमें मिल जाएगा, तो देखते हैं। एक वाटरफॉल है यहाँ पे, बट वो नहीं है जो हमें चाहिए। हमें उसके लिए ट्रैक करना पड़ेगा, तो अब तुम्हें दिखाती हूँ वहीं जाके, ठीक है? ऐसे ट्रैक कर रहे हैं। हिडन जगहों के लिए ऐसी जगह आना पड़ता है। देख लो ये कितनी गलत बात है। तुम लोग देखो गंदगी कितनी मचा रखी है लोगों ने। क्या यार, सफाई तो रखो कम से कम। क्या किया यार। गाइस अभी हमें और ऊपर जाना है, बट तुम अभी से ये देख लो। ये देखो, सो ब्यूटीफुल। गाइस ये देखो, ये है वो हिडन वाटरफॉल। तुम ये देखो झरना कितना सुंदर लग रहा है, पीछे भी आ रहा है। बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत सुंदर। वर्थ द ट्रैक ना, 1 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा का ट्रैक किया है। बहुत बढ़िया, वर्थ इट। प्लीज़ कम। ये इसका शॉर्ट भी डालूंगी, ठीक है? देखो मॉबिन कहाँ पहुँच गया। ये देखो यहाँ कहाँ पहुँच गया है, देख लो।
गाइस मुझे बताने दो, अगर यहाँ आओगे ना, ऊपर एक केव है जिसमें अगर तुम जाके बैठोगे, वहाँ इतना डीप वाटर है कि तुम पूरा समझ जाओगे। मैं 6 फुट आदमी हूँ और मैं उसमें आराम से जा चुका हूँ। और उसके ऊपर भी जा सकते हैं, जिसके अंदर गट्स है, जिसके अंदर हिम्मत है, वो ज़रूर जानना। और ये एक फ़ोटो दिखा देगी जो मेरा है, इसी ने लिया है, वो भी शॉर्ट के बीच में डाल देंगे, तो देख लेना।
ये देखो लास्ट व्यू, देखो पहाड़ों के बिल्कुल पीछे पीछे। हद है यार, मतलब मैं 50 बार बोल रही हूँ एक ही वीडियो में कि साफ देख रहे हो। हमारे ही काम है ये, हम ही आते हैं, हमारे ही काम है ये। गाइस हम बीटल्स आश्रम पहुँच गए। ये रहा। अब मैं पहली बार जा रही हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता कैसा दिखता है, पता नहीं। आवाज़ वहीं देखती हूँ, लिपस्टिक वहीं देखती हूँ, फिर तुम्हें भी दिखाती हूँ। चलो। इन लोगों ने मुझे बोला मेरा आईडी कार्ड नहीं है। आई जे पूछा, गलत हुआ मेरे साथ। आप मेरे व्लॉग में हेलो बोल दोगे? बोल दो, व्लॉग में हेलो तो बोल दो। आप भी बोल दो। It's my vlog, just say hi. Just say like, comment, share, subscribe.
The Beatles ashram and we just had a beautiful wander around. It's amazing.
I'm so glad you like it. I'm so glad you like it. So glad. Say like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Like, comment and subscribe.
Thank you. ये देखो guys, ये देखो, ये देखो। दिस इज़ द बीटल्स आश्रम। यहाँ पे देयर आर केव्स। देखो देखो देखो, सुंदर ना?
गाइस ये है बीटल्स आश्रम का अंदर का नज़ारा। और इसका जो ख़ास बात ये है कि इसको बीटल्स आश्रम इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि बीटल्स जैसा फेमस हॉलीवुड बैंड जो इतने प्योर म्यूज़िक बनाते हैं, वो यहाँ पे आके प्रैक्टिस करते थे। और ये इन सब चीज़ों का प्रूफ है कि वो यहाँ पे थे। और ये महर्षि जो उनका आश्रम है, ये यहाँ आके प्रैक्टिस करते थे। और ये उनके साथ उनके फ़ोटोज़ भी हम देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे वॉल पे फ्रेम्ड है। दीज आर द फोटोज़ यू कैन सी। और ये फेमस आर्टिस्ट बीटल्स बैंड के।
गाइस यहाँ पे अंदर कैफेटेरिया भी है। इफ़ यू कम एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू ईट यू कैन। दिस इज़ द किचन, जहाँ पे दे यूज्ड टू मेक ओनली वेजिटेरियन फूड बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स नोबडी ईट्स नॉन वेज हियर। सो ये पढ़ लो, 500 से ज़्यादा लोगों के लिए खाना बनता था यहाँ पे। देखो ये देखो, देखो ब्रो, यहाँ पे भी लोगों ने छोड़ा ही नहीं है यार किसी जगह को। कौन करता है ये, देखो ना। आई मीन लेट इट बी लाइक इट इज़ ऑलरेडी यार। क्यों कर रहे हो तुम लोग ऐसा? क्या है ये बदतमीजी? नोबडी वांट्स टू नो तुम्हें कितने साल हो गए डेट करते हुए, मत बताओ। गाइस दे इवन हैड अ प्रिंटिंग प्रेस, like they had a printing press room or whatever you call it, but printing press for real. This is unbelievable. Look at the whole place like this. See, just look at that. It looks very aesthetic. यहाँ पे एक वेद भवन है। ये बदतमीजी क्या है ये? देखो, देखो। Hi, do you like the place here?
That's beautiful.
Do you like Rishikesh?
I love it.
You've been here for the first time?
Yeah, I've been here since April 4th.
Oh my god, that's more than a month now. So do you like it?
I love it.
What's the best part about this place?
Okay, so I have to say my favorite part is the people.
That's so nice of you.
Seriously, it's very different than back home. Here, everybody is so kind and welcoming and willing to just help out any way they can.
Oh.
Especially, they can tell we're foreign and we're tourists, and so everyone wants to help us. So
Oh, that's so nice.
yeah, everyone's lovely.
Oh,
What's your favorite?
Probably the spiritual energy.
I love that too. I'm from Delhi and I'm here thrice in 2 months because I love the spiritual parts of it. Have you been to the Aarti? Like, have you seen the Aarti here? Do you love
It's
it?
funny.
Do you like it? Have you been here
Yeah, I've
to
seen
the
it.
Aarti?
I haven't participated, but I've been. Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, it's so beautiful. The
Do you like
culture's
this
beautiful.
place?
Yeah, it's fun here. We're just bouncing around, exploring, seeing where we end up.
You guys look really nice together.
Thank you.
I hope you do text me when you get married though.
Oh yeah, okay.
Please do.
Yeah,
Can you
that's
say
fun.
like, comment, share, subscribe?
Oh my gosh, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Thank you so much. You guys are really nice. Thank you. Oh, that's so sweet. Namaste. Thank you. You guys are lovely. Thank you.
Sorry.
Blowing my mind, telling me all these things that he shouldn't have known, right? But he was just looking at my chart and he could see it in the stars. So
Told you.
yeah.
So, do you believe in astrology now?
Yeah, honestly, there were a few things that he said where I kind of went, oh no, like things for my future. But it was good. It was interesting having someone who doesn't know me.
Knows everything
just-
about you.
Yeah, be able to look so far just into my chart and tell me about my past and tell me about my future. It was very cool.
And did you also do it?
Yeah.
How was
In
it?
my mind too.
You're already loving it here, so you don't even want to disbelieve anything anymore, right? I'm sure you love it
Actually,
here.
the first time I swam in the Ganga there,
Did you feel
started
peaceful?
having nightmares, and I had nightmares every day for about 25 days, and I had to go to the Ayurvedic hospital and meet with a doctor there.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So did it do better to you?
He suggested the oil on my head, that Ayurvedic thing, and so I did it, and the nightmares went away immediately.
Oh my god.
And then
So
it was-
maybe all the bad things that you've done have washed away and came as nightmares to you. Do you believe that?
There was
yeah, I believe
some,
something.
yeah, there was power for sure.
There's definitely power in the Gangas. You should go take a dive in and just you'll feel better from the inside. It's beautiful, it's peaceful, and it'll blow your mind away.
She hasn't gone for a dip yet. I've been trying to get her to.
And in this weather, the water is freezing cold.
I know.
feels so
Oh,
good.
that would be the best.
That is scientifically impossible, but it's the Gangas. So you love it there. You should go.
Yeah.
You should
I
go.
can't though now because I keep getting tattoos.
Yeah, he's just got a big tattoo.
Sure. Oh my god. I love tattoos. That's beautiful.
Is it good?
Tiger.
Okay. I thought it's
Is it a symbol
it's a
of
cat
power?
only. Species of cat.
Is it a symbol of power?
Yes,
Oh,
definitely.
beautiful.
Very fresh.
You got it done from here?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Japanese tattoo done by a Russian man from Kazakhstan in India
Oh my god.
Quite
You
the story.
on the banks of the Ganga. So it was quite the memory.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now we are heading out to Triveni Ghat, and we have these two with us. They're joining us to the Aarti, and we're gonna have fun, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's go then.
Let's go.
Kate,
Yeah, it's really good.
you also try, okay? It's your turn now. You like it?
Tasted different than I thought it would.
Then say Golgappa.
पानी पूरी
Golgappa.
Golgappa.
Yes. That's what it's called.
गोलगप्पे
Golgappe.
Yes.
गोलगप्पे
Yes. Good. No, yeah, you have to get it all in one go. Yes. How is it? You like it?
Yeah. That's good. I can probably eat maybe like 5.
Oh my god, that's great. Oh my god. I love this. This is my favorite street food. This is favorite. Favorite.
Another one?
Yeah. Go for it. लोग गए घाट पे क्योंकि एली ने कभी भी गंगा में नहीं डाला पैर तो शी इज गॉन देयर टाइलर इज हियर मेकिंग अ वीडियो आरंट यू अब वो लोग वहाँ गए मम्मी टू जबरदस्ती करे डुबकी मार वो डर रही है बेचारी बहुत ज़्यादा How was it?
Beautiful.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was so amazing.
Did
Just
you?
like you can feel it inside of you.
Are you gonna come again?
Yeah, it was beautiful.
I'm so glad you liked it. So glad.
I know. Thanks for having us.
Kid,
Yeah, I loved it.
How
Full
was-
power.
are you gonna come again?
Yeah.
Hello. Are you gonna come again?
Yeah. Every day.
You can't come here every day. You know that, right?
Why?
You're just gonna be here for 2 weeks now, and then you leave.
No, I'm here for months.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I
She is
didn't
here
know
for
that.
1 week.
When are you gonna come back next?
I'm gonna come back. I think I'm going to come back in the winter, like when it's Canada's winter, and I can avoid the snow, and I'll come back here.
You love it here.
Yeah.
It's very pleasant.
It is.
It is
And
very
everybody's so wonderful.
I thought we'll prank you.
दिमाग के तौर पे थोड़ी कमी है ना इसलिए अरे आपने बोला
व्लॉग में बोला इसने मेरे मारो मारो इससे मारो Do you like it?
I'm excited to watch your vlog.
Done.
You have new subscribers.
Done. Thank you.
Follow, share, comment, subscribe.
Thank you. Thank you. How is it? Guys, हम घाट पे आए हैं. We have had our food. And look at Mohammed. कुत्ते ला रहा है. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We're at the ghat, chilling. This is Ali, this is Tyler. We're all chilling here, sitting here in peace. तुम भी देख लो. Look at the moon, so pretty ना. ये आ गया.
इसको खिला दे इसको ये बैठा है
Hello.
ये तो खा रहा
कितना प्यार से रहता नहीं मम्मी जाती
Look at this.
बेटा मम्मी मार रही
Look at this. Look at this.
स्वीट बेबी
He's so scared. He's really scared. Hello.
Family reunion.
Look at this. So beautiful. Look where Ali's sitting.
It's an adventure.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's cozy.
Punya was sitting there before, but then she puked. So Ali had to switch. But she likes it here.
Yeah, it's good.
And Tyler is here. He's enjoying. We're also enjoying. We are. So they're going back now.
They are not going back. They're going to meet tomorrow.
Yeah, I mean,
We'll see you
yeah.
tomorrow.
We'll be seeing each other tomorrow again, but for now.
Thank you and goodbye.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
Come on.
no need.
No, you're embarrassing us. Come on. You're embarrassing us. Don't do that. But it was so nice to meet you guys. So nice.
Namaste and everything. We are friends.
We'll meet you guys tomorrow again.
Friends,
See, my
actually,
mother already gave.
family friend.
So cute. You guys are really cute.
Go and take rest, okay? Good night. Good night.
Today you're gonna sleep really well today, right? You had so much food. You're gonna sleep well.
Yeah, it's bedtime.
Cuties.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Good night.